CSC.
Yeah, hi. Hi, Garrett.
We have an interview scheduled today.
Yes.
Is it right now?
Yeah, I'm available. Actually, it has been scheduled at 4:30 p.m. I was waiting for the call, actually.
Yeah, we are in some discussion now.
Yeah, no problem.
So, currently you are in TVS?
Yes.
Okay. What is your role in this?
PLSQL developer.
PLSQL.
Yes.
So, you have experience in function reports, right?
Yes.
Okay. Can you rate yourself for forms, reports and PLSQL out of 5?
Okay. Hello?
Yeah.
Yeah, actually, your voice is not clear.
Is it audible now?
Yeah, it's audible, but there is some disturbance. Yeah, okay, please continue.
Yeah. Can you rate yourself for forms, reports and PLSQL?
Out of 10?
Out of 5.
Out of 5. Okay, 3?
Okay. So, can you explain your current project?
Yeah, okay, sure. Currently, I'm working for AXA US. It's an insurance project.
Okay.
So here my responsibilities are like I will be involved in all the life cycle phases of all the SDLC life cycle, starting from gathering the requirements of the business until unless the project goes to production. I will be involved in all the phases. Majorly I will be involved in ETL operations, extraction, transformation and loading the data at various levels. So in AXA we have so many systems like Cafe, Paris, MDT, MDI, MDH. I guess we have so many systems in AXA. So when there is a requirement to transfer data from one system to another system, so I will be involved in there and I will be making it possible, like performing all the ETL operations, like whatever the systems, those are mainframe system or database system, front-end system, whatever it might be. So the data transformation will happen in between several systems. So we will be analyzing the data, whatever the data provided by the business people, we will analyze it and we will write the sort of code using SQL and PLSQL.
Okay.
Yeah, this is how we do here. When you say forms and reports, actually I haven't worked on it, but I am aware of it, I have knowledge on it, but here I am not working on forms and reports, but I am working on SQL and PLSQL. So as a PLSQL developer, I will be writing procedure functions, packages, triggers, and also we will be involved in writing the complex SQL queries and all. Yeah.
Okay. So you are just aware about the forms and reports?
Yes.
So how much you are aware? Yes, we know.
Yes. In my project itself, actually I have worked on two major projects. Earlier I have worked for United India Insurance project. The current project is AXA. So when I was working in United India Insurance project, we were a team like around 12 members. So among those 12 members, 10 of them are PLSQL developers and one or two guys was there who were taking care of only these forms and reports. So I have just seen how they are working and all. Sometimes I used to get some KT kind of things from them. So how they do all these things and all. But I haven't practically worked on it. But I know SQL and PLSQL are mandatory for forms and reports as well. Yeah, and that too, two of my colleagues, they are recently placed in CSC company for the same position, RK forms and reports. They are my colleagues only. Currently they are working in Tambaram, MEPS, CSC company.
Okay.
Yeah. Yes.
So, I don't know how the communication happen. We are planning to recruit persons for course function reports and PLSQL, both included.
Okay.
We'll have a material on PLSQL.
Okay, sure.
And we can give a feedback if they are okay, the management is okay, then we can proceed ahead or can try and explain.
Yeah, okay, sure.
So that's why I was asking about how much you know about the function reports.
Yeah, that is the reason. To be honest, I have told you whatever I know about.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Have you worked in any tuning kind of things or?
Performance tuning and all, I haven't involved in performance tuning.
Okay.
But I know general operations of SQL tuning and all. Having two and a half year experience, I was not a part of it. Maybe after 4 years or 5 years, maybe anything involving in all those operations.
Come on, nowadays even 1 or 2 years experience, they are so much better than us.
Oh, okay.
It's good to learn, and this is a time to learn.
Yeah, that is what even the reason I am looking for change is to enhance my knowledge.
Okay.
Yeah, being in the same project, I don't find there is any scope of learning. Yeah.
Okay. So, have you worked in material views?
Yes.
You got any knowledge about it?
Yeah.
If not working. Yeah. Can you explain how it differs from other views?
Material views. Yeah. Actually, the normal views are like, physical tables. That means the data won't be stored permanently in a database. Whereas in materialized views, the data will be stored permanently in a database in a separate table. That means the materialized table will be the separate copy of a main table. So the main purpose we are going for materialized views is to improve the performance. Whereas the use of views is like, providing the security. And this is the main difference between normal view and materialized view. But we can perform the DML operations on views in certain conditions, but we cannot perform DML operations on materialized view. It will be auto refreshed. When you do auto refresh while creating a meteoric trigger, it will be done automatically. Otherwise, we can use refreshing techniques. So the main thing is like, it's a separate copy of main table. It will be physically exist in database. So that means it will be stored permanently in the database. It's not like a temporary normal view.
Okay.
Yeah.
So how about global temperature tables?
Yeah, global temperature tables. Do you want me to explain it?
Yeah.
Global temporary table is like, it's a temporary table. It all depends on if you perform the commit operation, it will be deleted automatically. That means when you close a section, or if you perform commit operation on global temporary table, it will be deleted automatically. When we are creating this global temporary table itself, we can use auto commit. Yeah, if you use auto commit while creating this global temporary table, even if you perform commit operation, it won't be deleted. When you close a section, then only it will be closed. It is when the case we are using on commit. If you are not using on commit, if you perform commit also, it will be deleted. If you close a section also, it will be deleted. It's just a temporary table.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, on your words and on your experience, can you say both are equal, global temperature tables and material views?
No, not both are equal.
How can you just say your answer?
Because materialized view, it will be stored in database, but global temporary temporary table, it won't be stored permanently in the database. As I mentioned, when we use auto commit, if we perform commit also, it will be there, but when we close the session, it will be deleted. But whereas materialized view is not like that.
Anyway, we can reference the data in materialized view.
Yeah, we can refer the data in materialized view.
Similar thing happens. I can create a menu.
Okay.
There are some set of records in global temperature table.
Okay.
Also, we can create a materialized view. Both are same, right?
As per my knowledge, I know only this difference.
Okay.
But I think this might be the main difference between both of them. Temporary, permanently storing and not permanently storing. And also we have so many refreshing techniques for metallized view, but not for global temporary variables and all.
Okay.
Yeah.
So can I use trigger or committer or rollback in a trigger?
Actually, it is not possible to commit inside the trigger because it is not a small transaction. It is a part of larger transaction.
So is there any way to use it?
Yeah, there is a way to perform commit operation inside the trigger, that is Pragma autonomous transaction. So using Pragma autonomous transaction, you can perform commit operations inside the trigger.
So what are the other Pragma kernels you know?
Sorry?
Other features of Pragma apart from autonomous transaction.
Features like
like other keywords or other.
Yeah, actually the autonomous transaction is a independent transaction that is automatically invoked by a parent or main transaction. That means if you take a transaction, inside a transaction we may be having sub-transactions like say for example A, B, C, D. So whenever I'm performing some DML operations or some update operations on sub-transaction, so that must be reflected in the main transaction. So when you commit the sub-transaction, then only the changes of the sub-transaction will be reflected into the main transaction. So this is the main use I know.
This is only for Pragma autonomous transaction.
Yeah, this is for Pragma autonomous transaction.
There are some more keywords can be used as Pragma.
Sorry, I'm not aware of. Yeah.
So, want to know whether you're aware of it.
Yeah, okay.
So, have you opened collections?
Yeah, yes.
Can you explain what are you know about it?
Yeah, collection is like, it's a collection of data elements having the same data type. Each element in the collection will have unique subscript to identify the position of a particular element in a collection. So in collection we are having three different types: index by collection or index by table or associated array, and the second one nested table, and the last one is V-array. These are the three different types that we have in collections.
Okay.
It's like collection of data having the same kind of data. That means collection of data having a same data type, and we'll be having unique subscript for that to identify each and every element in the collection.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I have a table.
Yeah. Okay.
With some existing records.
Okay.
And some duplicate records are there.
Okay.
And some algorithm is also there.
Okay.
So I need to create a primary key for that. Column name A that has multiple duplicate records and null values.
Okay.
So with the column name A, I have to create a primary key index. Is it possible?
Primary key index.
Yeah.
When you say primary key, actually it doesn't allow null values and duplicate values. But primary key index, I think it is not possible because when I am not aware of the case like primary key index, but in normal primary key it is not possible.
Primary constraint.
Okay.
No, I just want to know, is there any way to skip that?
Yeah, we can. Actually, without primary key, we can use normal and unique key combination. That is also do the same functionality. If we use
have a repeated value existing records.
Then we can do one thing like we can go for triggers actually. Constraints, actually, they will check the existing data. That means constraints should be created whenever we are going to create a table. So whereas trigger, it will be completely on new data. So if I am creating a trigger, so from hereafter I am going to do any duplicate or some other things, in a sense it won't allow. That means constraint will check both new and old data, but trigger only check the new data. It won't worry or bother about the old data, already existing data. So probably we can go for triggers.
Trigger that will keep the database performance, no?
Sorry?
If you go for trigger, then it will again hit the performance.
Okay. Actually, this is the one way I know to do it. Yeah.
Okay. So what are the exceptions,
Exception is like abnormal condition that occurs at runtime. There are two types, system defined and user defined. So system defined are already existing in database. We have so many system defined exceptions in Oracle PLSQL. User defined exception can be created by a PLSQL programmer.
Okay.
Yeah. It's like a runtime error, the abnormal condition that occurs at runtime.
Okay.
It is called exception.
Can I use the same normal exception for connections? Can I use the same exception?
No, actually, no. We have different set of predefined exceptions for collection as well. No data found. Like this, we have a few collection predefined exceptions. I think around 5 to 6 types are there.
Okay. Can you tell what is it?
No data found is one. Another one, no data.
Exception is available.
Hello? Sorry?
No data found is normal exception which is widely used in PLSQL.
Yeah.
It is not a select.
Okay. No value found. No value found is one. And there are 5. I did not remember actually. No value found. No value. Sorry, I did not remember. I remember only this one. No value found and totally 5 are there. I remember that.
Okay.
The value is not there. No empty.
Okay, not a problem.
Yeah. Fine. Thank you.
Say for example, you're getting on customer call saying that some pressure is taking so much time. So
Okay.
I just want to see. You don't have to tune the pressure, but you want to see which queries either some loop or queries are getting some problem, some performance problem. How will you do that? How will you analyze it?
We have this one called execution plan. So by using this execution plan, we can find where it is lagging and where it is taking time and where the performance is getting reduced. Everything can be analyzed by using this execution plan.
So say for example, there is a requirement and you have to fetch records from most populated data in the database.
Okay.
So as of now, are you creating the queries individually or any senior thing you to do that?
Actually, I did not get you. Your voice was not audible.
Say for example, I have a own requirement.
Okay.
So I have to populate fetch records from table which is mostly populated in the database.
Okay.
Load is more for the table.
Okay.
And
Okay.
it's a complex requirement and as of now, whether you are getting your own query or you are getting any help from your team?
No. Actually, we are creating queries. I am involving in creating queries now.
Okay. Usually here like TCS, they have a separate team for this tuning and they have to.
Actually, there is a separate team called performance tuning team. Actually, they all, they all are having more than 4 to 5 years of experience. Actually, they take most experienced people for this performance tuning operations and all. If he doesn't have more than 4 or 5 years of experience and all, they will recruit for this normal PLSQL developer position. There is a separate team for performance tuning. Yes, there is a team in TCS. Even in my account also there is a separate team.
So you'll be creating the queries in PLSQL, then you'll be forwarding to them and get it tuned.
Yes, correct.
Okay. Have you used any merge statements, merging?
Yes.
So can you explain the keywords and
actually the main use of merge is that we can delete and then update the particular value in a database column. That means by using delete, we can only perform delete operation. By using update statement, we can only perform update operations. But whereas in merge, we can do both the operations together. This is the main purpose of merge.
Okay. So,
yeah.
What is the use of connect by statement?
Sorry, what statement?
Connect by class.
Connect by.
Yeah.
Connect by. Sorry, I haven't heard about this.
Okay.
Connect by class. Yeah.
How about rank statements?
Yeah, I know about the rank, rank, analytical functions.
So,
yeah, I know about.
Can you explain how it is?
Rank, it's like a serial number will be generated for each and every row of a database table. That means 1, 2, 3, 4. If I have 5 columns, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Likewise, it is same like row ID that we have in Oracle database.
Okay.
Whereas when you ask about dense rank, there is a small difference between rank and dense rank. Actually, while assigning this unique sequence number, actually rank it will leave the holes. That means it will leave the gaps. But dense rank will not leave the holes or will not leave these holes between the serial numbers.
Okay.
This particular serial number will be given based on the unique value of a database column.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, the production database, you got access to your production database?
Actually, no. We don't have access to production database. We'll be having only development.
You should be aware like how much records per day transactions is there in and out of a database.
Record count.
Yeah. Of course. Just to know the volume of the data is talking.
It might be in terabytes.
Okay. So I have a requirement like I need to get some data in Excel or XML.
Okay.
So what are the ways you would prefer to get it done?
So the requirement is to extract data from database to Excel, is it?
Yeah, to Excel and also to XML.
Okay. Okay.
Actually, create a filter for this and you have to do it.
Okay. Actually, for getting data from Excel to database, we have SQL loader, SQL star loader. By using that, we can extract the data from any kind of
loader. You have to do it manually.
Yes.
So I need to do it automatic. Excel creation or
Okay.
per day for every 1 hour I have to create some Excel and I have to populate it and I have to put in some folder.
Okay. Actually, I haven't worked on it, but I think UTL, we have some UTL predefined packages in RKPLSQL. By using those, this can be done, I believe.
So what are the UTL files, you know?
That is what actually I haven't worked on UTL files, but I just know about it.
What about it?
Sorry?
I just want to know how much you are aware about it.
Actually, I know only that's all about UTL files. Really, sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'll give a feedback to the manager.
Yeah, thank you. Okay.
I'm not sure how they're going to proceed because we got a response for both Telephonic and sponsor reports.
Yeah, actually that is what, when the HR asked me also, I said, I have knowledge in SQL and PLSQL, I am willing to work on forms and reports. Because I know what is happening in forms and reports, and the basic thing that we need to know about forms and report is that we need to have knowledge on PLSQL, so I have knowledge on it. I wanted to move into forms and reports and all.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hey, we are well versed in PLSQL and sponsor reports and nothing. But still now we are in some resource crunch. So
Okay.
I'm not sure whether this point of time they are recommending or not. Yeah, we'll give the feedback to them so that we'll let them impress with how they work.
Yeah, okay. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for your valuable time.
Thanks for your time.
Yeah, thank you. Have a nice day. Thank you.